Hey, Tom here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn Yac Voice Memos into tasks in Asana using Zapier. Okay, the first step to get this integration between Yac and Asana set up and running is actually just to create a channel for your task. So I've set one up here called Tom's Tasks. If you haven't got one already, go to the plus in the top right hand side and create a channel for your tasks or somebody else's tasks. We're going to use this one to start. As you open it up, you can see that I've recorded a few tasks in here, and the latest one is get Ben's feedback on the new Yac Asana tutorial. If you want to actually record a task, you go down to start recording and record directly into the web app. Next step, once you've got a task in here, we're going to actually go over to Zapier and we're going to create a brand new Zap. Okay, give it a name. Our first trigger is going to be Yac, and the trigger event is on new message. Press continue, connect your Yac account, press continue. The trigger is a message in Tom's tasks. Press continue. We're going to test that trigger. Hopefully we'll find that message at the top of our Yac dashboard. There we are. Get Ben's feedback on the new Yac Asana tutorial, duration 8, and it's got all the links to everything we need, including a link back to the recording, which is the media link here. You can see also we have other messages pulled in. You can press load more to bring those in, but we're just going to use this one as the example. Press continue. And as our action, we're going to want to search for Asana. The action event is going to be create task. Press continue. Select your Asana account. Connect it if you haven't already. Press continue. And then we're going to set up our action. Choose your workspace. Select your project if you want your task to go in a particular project. If you want to maybe have a project channel, maybe you want a content creation channel, and then you have a content creation place in Asana where those tasks live. This is when you'd use the project and the section, but for this we're just going to keep them completely open. And the name of our task is going to be the message transcript from Yac. So selecting this field will bring up the options available to you. If you want to see all the options, you can open it up, but we're going to use the message transcript for the title. The notes, we're going to put link to recording dash and then the link to recording. Okay, we don't really need a due on or due at date. If you want to assign yourself to it, you can do that by finding your user within Asana, selecting that, and the assignee status we can put as, let's put it as upcoming. If you want to add a tag, you can as well, but we're just going to press continue for this use case. And here we go. You can review the information you're about to send to Asana and press test and continue. And with a bit of luck, we'll have a test sent to Asana. Okay. Open up upcoming, and there we go. Open up the task, and we have the title, the assignee, and the link to recording, which if you open it, takes you to a page which you can actually listen to the recording on. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and look forward to seeing what you get set up using Yac, Asana, and Zapier.